We all want our YouTube channels to be successful. The truth is, 90% of channels never get to 10,000 subscribers. So why are there so many videos that make YouTube look easy?
Easier right now to grow on social media than it ever has.
The reason is YouTube Shorts.
So they're adding a lot of algorithmic juice to Shorts content.
But is it as easy as they say it is? There's really only one way to find out: by trying it myself. This is my Shorts channel, and I got over 3 million views making this video. The editing and structure I used on these shorts is an easy recipe for virality. So here I am to show you exactly what I did. The first step anyone should make is picking a niche that interests you, but also has a large audience appeal. Basically, anything that's considered entertainment that you enjoy consuming would be a great option. Some examples are sports you enjoy watching, celebrities you like reading about, or maybe even an entire industry you like. For me, I chose to make shorts about stand-up comedians and their weird interactions with hecklers. This is a great option because it's content that I like. The audience for comedians is massive, and oftentimes the interactions between comedians and hecklers is cringeworthy. And as Charlemagne the God says,
cringe is in.
The second step is to create a structure for your videos that increases viewer retention. The structure I'm about to show you is an absolute cheat code, and here's why. If you create a 50 to 60 second video using this structure, you can repurpose this video into multiple other shorts to post later, essentially turning one video into 15 videos, saving you time and the headache of creating a brand new video every single day. Let me show you how this works. This is my timeline within Adobe Premiere for a video that has gotten me over 2 million views and is still growing. I've blocked out each section we should focus on, starting with the hook. Every great video has an even greater hook, and I show that right away.
This heckler threw a glass cup on stage,
leaving the viewer asking, why would this happen?
Because when this comedian was performing, this audience member had a little too much to drink and was yelling, "Turn it up." When he was told to leave by security, he threw his drink on stage.
At the end of the day, you need to realize that you're making videos for humans with emotions. I know this sounds sad, but humans are hardwired for negativity. So as a creator, you need to take advantage of that. So next, we have a transition into another clip. You want to find a way to tie the two clips together to make the transition feel seamless, or the viewer will just scroll away.
But that's not the craziest thing to happen at a comedy show. This lady decided to throw a punch at the comedian performing while she was leaving. Luckily, this guy had some insane reaction time.
So then you transition into another clip, like this.
But this comedian had no idea how to react when an audience member threw her prosthetic leg on stage.
What's in your wallet? Why am I Jennifer Gar-
And then she decided to double down and throw her other one.
This turned into a puppet show real fucking fast.
Then finally comes my favorite part, the call to action. My tips for a good call to action is to relate it to the last few seconds of the video and make it funny. You want the viewer to be like, wait, what did he just say? They may even watch the video again to hear what you said. This was my best call to action and probably a big reason this video got so many subscribers.
This turned into a puppet show real fucking fast.
If you have a third leg, subscribe.
I think it speaks for itself. Pretty simple structure, right? If you follow this format, you'll be viral in a matter of days. Now let me give you the 3 secrets I've learned for easy virality. Number 1, controversy. One of the easiest ways to get views on any social media platform is to talk about topics that get people to comment. Here's one of my most viewed shorts, and a big reason why is because in this video, I talk about religion and racism. These are 2 topics that tend to get people fired up in the comments, which is a sign to the YouTube gods that your video is good. While this is a great way to get views, the next tip is even better at getting people to flood your comment section. And all you have to do is to give a little bit of incorrect information. One way I did this was incorrectly portraying what was happening on screen. Let me show you. In this video, this woman lays a prosthetic leg on stage. But in the voiceover, I said she threw it on stage. This little change in verbiage caused people to flood the comments telling me how I was wrong. Another way I accidentally did this was posting a clip of a comedian and I forgot to mention their name. This led to hundreds of people leaving negative comments despite receiving thousands of likes on the video. I do not recommend purposely not crediting creators because it's wrong, but I just wanted to show you guys how something like this is an easy way to get views. Now, this last tip is probably the most important part of being a YouTuber, and that's being patient. YouTube is a slow burn of views compared to TikTok, where you can just blow up overnight and get millions of views. If you don't believe me, here is a clip from a YouTube employee talking about how they push videos.
Depending on the size of your channel, like if you're a smaller channel, we want to get you a seed audience. Like if we don't know a ton about you, like let's say you're just starting out, we want to get that as fast as possible, but we also want to do that responsibly so that we're not like letting like spammers come in there and just spam the system. So if you're a really small channel, it may take a little bit of time for you to get that seed audience and ramp it.
Seeing this clip provided me a lot of relief because, to be honest, my most viral short didn't pop off until 48 days after I posted it. So just be patient. The views will come if your videos are good. Putting all these tips and tricks together, I managed to pull in over 3.3 million views and gained over 2,000 subscribers. Your audience is out there. You just have to go find them. Hopefully this video helps you realize that YouTube isn't as hard as you think. And if you're hard, subscribe.